So, I noticed that a lot of you receive from Santa your new Bromptons. Oh, that's so cute. That's marvelous. Congrats. And I know I had a hard time changing gears when I just got my Brompton. So I decided to do a video showing you how to change your gears. It's basically, actually, will be 3 tips. How to change your gears, what to do when you stop. You know, it's simple. That's a simple one. And a good one. Oh, this one, I learned this month. It's marvelous. It's another way of carrying your Brompton. Yes, it's carrying like inside of a shop or a restaurant. So what I do is go in this beautiful road that I like very much. I'm going all the way to Arpoador. Just gonna show you. And the way back, I'm gonna stop in a restaurant that I always want to have breakfast. Today is not a blue sky, which I really like because it's hot. It's already 25 Celsius. So I'm sweating already. It's gonna be worse. Oh, stay tuned and enjoy it. It's a great tip because I had a very hard time when I start riding my Brompton. I couldn't figure out, you know, why you have to go down and up and down and up. I'll show you. Stay tuned.
Bom dia, bom dia, bom dia. Bom dia, bom dia, bom dia. Bom dia, bom dia, bom dia, bom dia. Bom dia. Bom dia.
It's cool, right? See, a lot of people use this place here. It's marvelous. But last mayor didn't take care of it. So I hope the new mayor, the one that made this here, would make it better because it's beautiful. It's one of the best parts in Rio.
Yeah. Bom dia. Bom dia, bom dia. And look at the view.
It's fabulous. Lighter gear, heavier gear. Okay? This gear here, you have to pedal to change it. This one, you just change it. No pattern. You can go up and down without moving your feet. You can go start like this. Very light. Open. Bom dia. And go, you can go second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. Oh, it's getting hard. And sixth gear. Yeah, you're gonna put it back. You don't have to be in sequential. You can do it straight. You can do jumping. Do whatever you need to ride better. Don't hurt your knees and enjoy yourself. Downhill, both in, and uphill, both out. So basically that's it. Another tip is, let's say I'm gonna stop here to take pictures. As soon as I stop, you put this gear down, because you don't have to move your pedal, and when you start riding again, it will be easier. So if I do want to stop here to take pictures because it's beautiful, or if I want to stop in a traffic light or any place that I stop, it's good to put the lowest gear to start pedaling. It helps your knee, protects your knee, and would be a lot better to pedal. Well, today ain't a beautiful day, so I do have a beautiful photo of my Brompton right here. I gotta put that one. This is Aquador. It's beautiful. The name came from long time ago. The fishermen used to stay here. So when the whales, yeah, sometimes there's a whale here, but it's rarely now. But at that time, long time ago, there were a lot of whales. So when the whales pass by here, they arp. So arpoador. Arpoador is the guy that arped the whale. That's where the name came from. So now I'm just going to Copacabana just to drink I don't know if you ever had this. They get sugar cane and put in a machine and take the juice out. It's good. Because we rode like 18 kilometers. Will be around 40 total, probably. Let's go for the sugar cane juice. And in the way back, I'm gonna stop in a restaurant, a breakfast place that I always want to have breakfast. And that's where I'm gonna show you my next tip. This tip is marvelous. I just learned a couple weeks ago. It's for me, it's a brand new way to carry my Brompton. I like it. I'll show you. We're happy today. Here's friends. It's great to have friends. Okay, back to Baja. Let's have some breakfast. Bom dia, bom dia, bom dia. Opa,
bom dia.
Nada. Here, back to Baja de Tijuca. And this is some new place. This here used to be a gas station. And now they're doing a little market today because Sunday, and that's a place I want to eat breakfast. Realize that's only hamburgers. Nope, not gonna eat here. Gonna eat somewhere else. Let's look for it. Okay, here we're gonna eat some very good food. Let me show you again. Okay, now we can have some very, very, very good breakfast. Okay, so I'm gonna have a very, very, very good breakfast. No hamburgers. No, I need food. This place is very good. It's called Balada Mix. They have all over Rio de Janeiro. It's very good. Okay, remember, if you're going uphill, open the gears. If you're going downhill, close the gears. That's for a start. And this way of carrying my bike, oh, I love it so much. I learned it because I started using the Velcro, and then I realized that I don't need the Velcro if I'm not going upstairs or downstairs. And if I do, I just hold the wheel itself. And this way is so much easier to carry. Well, I do hope you like it. If you did like, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. And as you know, this little bell will tell you when the video is out. Because as you know, I never have the right day, the right time. And I'm gonna have breakfast. See ya.